What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today, I had to give y'all the golden vibes. Look at your boy right now, man. Looking like Goldilocks right now, man. Like, come on, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the gold, man. Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all on the Matrix real quick. Wow, look at that right there. Ooh, that man looking clean. Goldilocks Supreme. I'm looking clean. No, but for real though, y'all, tell me what you think about the new hair, the new style, man, the new look. Did it all myself with the help of my wife, you know what I mean? She helped me do the color a little bit, but you know, mixing the colors and doing all that stuff, I got y'all. The next video, I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna walk y'all through how I do it and you know, how I come out with this color right here. But hey, let me know what you think. It's golden. It almost matched my skin a little bit, you know what I'm saying? My mom always called me a golden child, so hey.
Bang, 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 bang.
And you already know I gotta give y'all the 360 real quick. So here go the front, I know y'all seen that. Here go the side, you know what I'm saying? It's all faded up, you know what I'm saying? Here go the other side right here. Move this out the way. It's all faded up, you know what I mean? Then the back, you know, nice and fado, nice and fado. Your boy cut his own hair and all of that. So I'm gonna walk y'all through everything, the haircut, the dye, all of that, you know what I'm saying? So this is permanent. This ain't no spray on or none of that. This is that stay on. No spray on, stay on. You feel me? And I know some of y'all are still catching up to me letting my locks go, you know what I'm saying? It's been almost 3 months that I haven't had any locks. So for those of you who've been rocking with me since I had locks, man, hey, this is the new me right now. But hey, I'm gonna get back to the locks. Don't worry, we getting back to the locks later on. You know, right now I'm just having some fun rocking the, you know, the little fade, the little drop fade with the curls on the top, you know what I mean? I've been using that curl sponge like I did when I started my locks before at the very beginning of this channel, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's fresh, right? Comment down below if you think this is fresh, you know what I'm saying? Let me know your honest opinion. If you like it, if you digging it, if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. If you like it, give me the thumbs up and leave a comment like, hey bro, you rocking it or something, you know what I mean? Let me know. You know your boy gonna keep y'all posted on everything that I do. It don't matter if I get a new car, if I do something with my Riker, do something with my hair, you know what I'm saying? Man's health, just looking good, feeling good, fresh, you know what I'm saying? Staying blessed up and locked in, man. And thank you to everybody who's been locked in with your boy thus far. And we're gonna continue to lock in, you know what I'm saying? And do life with one another. But hey, I just had to show y'all this little update. Short video, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too long, just getting right to it. Check me out, you know what I mean? What y'all think this look like? Do I look like anybody or do I look unique? You know what I'm saying? Comment down below and let me know. But anyways, I had to show y'all this, you know, just a quick update on the hair, showing y'all the freshness or whatever. But hey, let me know what you think about it. And you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.